Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video, and I'm so sorry because I haven't put the video yesterday. This happened to be a problem in my gadgets. I registered the video. During the video, it came very bad, so I had not to put it. So I decided to put one today. So as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes, and you're going to find down timeline in the description, or go choose depending on what it told you. So let's start our lesson of today. As you see today here, what the Bitcoin is doing till now, because yesterday a green candle here it came after that nice bounce here from the 200 moving average. And me, I told you we need to make a close eye at that level here, that one here. Maybe we are going to go till we touch it here. Then after that, we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming days, because till now it's showing to us the Bitcoin. It gave us here that double top here. Look at it, very clear double top here, and it's breaking for us here the neckline. Now maybe it's going back to touch the neckline again, then after that it will fall down again. And me, I told you, me, I buy from here from the 200 moving average, and I told you why in yesterday video. So till now everything is looking great, but as you see here, if we came and we zoom in here in that level here, what you see in here, as you see, it's showing to us here like an indecision candle, and there is no big power to push up, so there is no bulls yet entering to the market. Also we're still in a downtrend here in the daily, so you need to make a close eye at those things, me, I'm telling you. And here, as you see, our indicator, it started changing the color here to that orange, but it hasn't become red here. For us to decide, we need to enter long, and for us to enter long, we need a price action, and I'll show you all those things. So till now it's still early for us to decide to enter long or no. And here in my chart, me, what I got here, I got those levels, I got that level here, those ones for the options. People, they begin with us in Friday, we put in the two levels. The top one, we put it at 25,500, and the down one is it at 18k. But the view of those people, and me, I told you the Bitcoin, it will go down till here, till that 18k here, as you see it. So till now it's showing here a stronger resistance in the 200 moving average here, and in that wage also we got here in the daily, as you see it, very stronger resistance here. So we need to wait in the coming days what they are going to tell us. Till now there is nothing here new in the daily. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right, my friend. But as we said here, we got a very nice down channel here. It's been to touch the lower of it here, and now the Bitcoin is showing it going back up here to touch the top of that channel. Should we enter long now here? Me, I'm talking here just about swing trading. For swing trading, not yet, my friend. Look at it. It needs to come to break for us that the top of that trend line here. And as you see it, me, I put it, and I've been waiting for it now. Now here in that level where we are now, look at it, what we got here. We got another trend line. If you came and you came to that low here, that one and that one, you got here a trend line now here. Now either that one it will come to touch it here, then after that it will drop, or it will going up to touch the top one, then after that it will drop. So till now we need to wait till more what's going to happen. And here, look at it, look at that supply and demand zone here, how stronger it is. If you see it here, that the view of me, I'm thinking it will go up till it will touch in here that supply and demand zone, then after that it will give us another low. So till now there is nothing new here in 4 hours. And here in 4 hours actually you can make something else. For people they haven't entered with us, they can make in here a wage like that, as you see it. We came to that one here and that one here, and the top we got from here, and we got here a wage. That one I've been showing you how to trade it. For long it need to come and to break above here for us to enter long. For the short, that for the people they haven't entered with us, when it's breaking that flag here, because also we used to have here a flag, me, I enter from here short. For people they haven't entered with us short, if it came and breaking down here, they can enter short with us. Everything is too clear, guys. And what we got else here, let me show you. If you're looking with me here, as you see that red one here, that one, it's the 50 moving average, the simple one, and that one here is the 200 moving average. So you got here two levels, and here the Bitcoin is showing to you you are in a downtrend here. Now either that one it will go to touch here that 50 moving average because that 50 moving average here, where it is, look at it, very, very careful here. If you came here to that zone here and you draw a line like that, what you see? You see it here? It used to be here a support, here it used to be a resistance. Now it's going back to it here and it's going to become maybe a resistance, maybe it's not. Maybe that one it will come and break it above here. So that level here, you need to make a close eye at that, the one of 50 moving average. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So let me summarize everything for you. So us here in the 4 hours, we got a level like that, the top one, that white one, and we got down that one here. So us now we got here a very clear wage. Look at that. If it came the Bitcoin and breaking above here in that level here, we are going to enter long. We are going to buy. If the Bitcoin just came to that level here, then after that fall down and break a lower here in that level here, we are going to enter short. That's it. Why should us we looking now to enter short? Because of those things. Look at with me here. You are in a very, very, very downtrend now because the Bitcoin it give you here a very nice double top here. Now that one it's looking like it will going back to touch here, to touch that supply and demand zone. Then after that, if it fall down, we are going to enter short. And I'll show you how to enter short. You draw in, you came to that one here. Look at it, that one and that one, the two peaks, those ones, and you connecting them by a line like that. And you waiting. If the Bitcoin came and breaking lower here, you enter short. But the Bitcoin, if it's breaking here, it will go just till 18k. Remember that. Just till 18k, then you're going to see a big jump in the future. That's why we are telling people for long term start this here. Forget about all those things. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now it's going to tell our indicator what it's saying here. Here it is, our indicator. We're still here in the 4 hours. Our indicator, as you see it, it's being here at the extreme oversold area. Me, that way, me I buy a little bit of Bitcoin. And if you follow me in my Telegram channel, you know that. Over here, look what's happened here. We used to have the trend line here. It's getting broke here. Should we enter long now? Not yet, my friend. We haven't changed from the bear's control to the bull's control. We need to break that level here, that one here. If we haven't break it here, there is no entry long. Remember that, because it might that one it just go and tell here, touch here that wall, then after that it will fall down to give you here like a divergence or something. So you need to be careful about those things, because if you look in here, look with me. Who controlling now? People they been with me, they know all those things. Who controlling now? It's only bears. There is no bulls. The bulls it just came a little bit here, but very quick it go back. So there is no bulls yet. It's only bears who controlling that market. Or it's only the people they want to sell. They want the Bitcoin to fall down more. Should you go against the trend? No, the trend is your friend. You need to remember always that. Over here, the Bitcoin is falling down. So why should you go in against it? Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, as you see it, it's been here at the oversold area for some time now. Should we enter long? Not yet, my friend. There is no entry long. Yes, also we are in a very, very, very stronger level. Look at it. But we haven't got any price action here telling us also we need to enter long. Only price action you got here for the long is the top of the trend line here. That one is still far away from it. It's need that one to come till here and breaking for you to enter long. Till now there is nothing there. For the short, same thing. That one here. If the Bitcoin came lower here and breaking down here in that level here, yes, you can enter short, but if it doesn't, there is no entry short. Short it's being from here when we used to have here that flag like that, that's the right time for us to enter short. Now there is no entry short, guys. Need to remember that. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Over here in the last video, I used to tell you I'm waiting that break to happen here. Break that neckline here. It's getting broke here because I told you why. I told you we used to have here a diamond, a very clear diamond here. Then it's break it here. And now look what it give you here. Look with me here. It give you here like a cup and handle. Very clear cup and handle here. The neckline of it is it here. Till now it hasn't breaking the neckline for that cup and handle here. So people they enter long from here. I'm talking here just about scalping. Try to protect yourself now. Try to move stop loss to break even and close something. Because till now it showing there is no power to break that neckline here. Another thing here with me. Look with me here very close. Here we got now a price action pattern here. Look at it. Very clear price action pattern. You see it or not? That one, if it came and breaking down here, you can enter short. Me, I'm talking here just about scalpers and day traders. If it's breaking above here, you can enter long. Everything is too clear, guys. Another thing here. Look with me here. What we got here. You saw it or no? We got here a trend line. Till now we couldn't break it above here. That one, people they know how to trade those things. That trend line, if it's getting broke down here, you can enter short because you are in a downtrend here. You need to remember those things what I'm telling you. I will summarize everything again. For the long, look with me here. That neckline here, if it's getting broke here, you enter long. That's the first entry long. Another one you got here, if you came here to those levels here and you draw in a trend line, you see yourself, you are in the top of it here. If we came and we break it above here, you can enter long again. That's for the long. For the short, same thing. You came down here and you draw in a trend line like that. If that one came and break it down here, you can enter short, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator is telling us also we are here at the overbought area. Should we enter long now? If the price action tell us we will enter long. Should we enter short? If the price action tell us we will enter short. But me, I prefer now to enter short because our indicator is here at the overbought area. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So that's it for that video. And please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye for now, guys.